laugh at me. I know, seen him many times before. I don't want to leave it. What? No. I know it. Oh my goodness. I know. It's awful. They will be there. I love it.
Thank you.
Have a good day, Brayden.
Thank you.
You're gonna be
Somebody
good.
twisted their ankle there.
Oh,
I
that
think
was
they
you.
sprained it. You want favorite? Excuse me. I don't know, but all I seen was you got carried off the court.
Oh.
We were playing 5v5.